Another feature of Series 155 control, which will assist you with replacement or service, is the Quick Release Control Module. This allows the valve body module, with all its moving parts, to be replaced quickly and easily without disconnecting the plumbing connections, distributor tube, or brine system. This is achieved by removing one locking bar. Remove the screw in the locking bar. Apply downward pressure on the module and pull the locking bar out. Using a rocking motion, lift the control module from the tank adapter. If the O-rings come off, put them back into the tank adapter sockets. Be sure all O-rings and rubber parts are lubricated with silicone lubricant. Do not use petroleum-based lubricants, as they will damage the parts. To replace the control module, simply reverse this procedure.